is really very important, not only for the village of Skokie or the state of Illinois or the country or the nation United States of America. This is a message, this is an event that the whole world should listen. This is a message of stopping human rights violations in any form and shape. Well, I see people really looking at the taste of freedom. You know, people are looking at, even if the weather is bad, you can see people smiling and also people somehow reminiscing of what happened in during the time when the Holocaust happened. I think the mood of the crowd is, it's again the message of hope that darkness or a violation of human rights should really be stopped. The most important thing is people usually would come together to stand up actually what is good for humanity. I moved here in Skokie 10 years ago, and I went to the old Holocaust Museum at Maine. But even before that, I really had known already what happened to the Holocaust. Well, my feelings changed in sense that people should remember, not really feeling against oppression and repression. That's still there, that we should actually fight against it. Personally, it's really some people would really take some, they will use the force and impose something to the beliefs of other people. So I think the establishment of the government or the military should really be controlled by the civilian, because they could go extreme. It's a reminder. It's always a reminder. It's good to have a structure like this. Every people should be reminded that they should prevent this Holocaust to happen again. Well, yes, actually for the whole world to really look not only globally, but also most importantly what's happening in their own community, to make sure that this should not happen.